Let's solve the system of equations we see on the screen. We have two linear equations which are equal 0. So this is an homogeneous system and it is compatible. We have two equations and three unknowns: x, y, and z. As there are more unknowns than equations, this is a compatible indeterminate system. It's going to have infinite solutions. Let's solve it right now. We will use Gauss's method. The first equation is 1x. We have to write the coefficients plus 1y plus minus 2z equal 0. And the second equation is 3x plus 1y plus minus 1z equal 0. With this one, I'm going to make a 0 in this 3. So, by which number do I have to multiply the 1? So when I add it to 3, I obtain 0. This is easy, minus 3. Let's multiply by minus 3 the first equation, and let's add it to the second one. So this is 1 minus 2, 0. And the second line would be minus 3 plus 3, 0. Minus 3 times minus 1, 3. Plus 1, 4. Minus 3 times minus 2 is 6. Minus 1, 5. And a 0. So now we can see that under the diagonal all the elements are 0. So we have just finished with Gauss's method, and let's write the system again. And this new system is equivalent to the original one. This is x minus y minus 2z equal 0. And the second equation would be 4y plus 5z equal 0. As it is equivalent to the one given, we still have two unknowns and two equations, and it has, as I said before, infinite solutions. So 3 unknowns minus 2 equations equal 1 parameter. So let's call z lambda. This is going to be our parameter, and lambda is a real number, so we will calculate the solutions depending on the lambda. The second equation would be 4y plus 5 lambda equal 0, where 4y would be equal minus 5 lambda, and y is equal to minus 4/4 times lambda. And from the first equation, x minus 5/4 times lambda minus 2 lambda equal 0. This is x plus 5/4 times lambda minus 2 lambda equal 0. So x minus 3/4 times lambda, this is operating 5/4 minus 2 equal 0, and x is 3/4 times lambda. So the solution of the system is x equals 3 divided by 4 times lambda, and y is equal minus 5/4 times lambda, and z is equal lambda, and lambda is a real number. Giving any value to lambda, we would obtain any of the infinite solutions of the system.